Good morning, class ninth. Let's begin with Life Begins. We will start with the first trimester. So let's recap a little bit. So earlier, the man and the woman were involved in a sexual activity. They conceived, so the mother has conceived. So where the sperm from the man has been released and fused with the egg of the woman that has been released by the uterus. Now the first trimester has begun. The mother has had all the signs of the pregnancy. She got her self tested. And what happens in the first trimester? So it begins with fertilization. So the first trimester, that is 0 to 3, from conception to the 3rd month, is the first trimester, which begins with fertilization. Fertilized egg, which is a single cell, begins to divide. So we are a multiple cell organism, right? We are multiple cell organism. So we do not have only one cell, we have multiple cells in us, and that is why we are multiple cell organism. Now fertilized egg, which is a single cell, it starts dividing. So the development is taking place. So that is why the mother's belly starts growing, because the little tiny single cell starts dividing. So that cell, a ball of cell, attaches to the wall of uterus. So this is the uterus. Uterus is inside the abdomen. This is the abdomen or the belly of the mother, and inside is the uterus. So this ball of cells, a lot of cells are there. It attaches to the uterus, to the wall of the uterus. Further, the growth and development will take place. Now from the wall it is attached, so cling on to the uterus, and now this ball will grow. So further the growth and development will take place and make it an embryo, and after the development it will be called an embryo after the growth and development. So this ball of cells attaches to the uterus and after the growth and development is called an embryo. This embryo is protected by or supported by amniotic sac. So the baby is inside a sac. So there is a sac like this, and inside there is the baby that is being developed like this. So this is the amniotic, inside is the amniotic fluid, water, and this is the sac. So the amniotic sac supports the baby. There is a placenta attached. So this placenta is attached from the uterus. This placenta helps in giving the food to the baby. So this is the placenta, which gives inside only, and it gives food to the baby. So whatever the mother will eat will pass on to the placenta and goes from the umbilical cord. This is the umbilical cord, nabhi. So this is the umbilical cord which goes, it is also called nabhi in Hindi, and it goes, and from here all the food goes to the baby.